It says now you will work on opening and closing the form modal. Add the click event listener to the open task form button variable. And then use class list to toggle the hidden class on the task form element. Make sure not to include curly braces in your arrow function. Now you can click the add new task button and see the form model. Oh, I guess we're not done yet. Anyways, it says add an event listener to open task form button. We do that by calling the open task form button and chain it with add event listener. Boom. And then we use the click. And it says and then use class list. Okay, class list. Use class list to toggle the hidden class. Okay, hidden class. Hey, wait, we're not done yet. On the task form. On task form. User event listener. It says it should include a callback function. So we use the arrow thingy so that what okay, so if so that if we click this, it should implicitly return this line of code. And yay,